So far, we have almost done our assignment. Let's take 5 before we continue further.
Hey, have you checked the expiry date?
Why should I? Do the water have expiry dates?
No, Loveen. Water don't have expiry date, but plastic bottles do have expiry date.
Oh yes, I've seen it before. But why do these kind of water bottles do not have expiry dates?
Let me explain on this.
Mass use of plastic started in the 1950s and has steadily grown ever since. Plastic is used now in almost every sector. Today, electricity powers almost every aspect of our lives, at home and in our job. And everywhere that we find electricity, we also find plastics. In transportation, plastics help to cut down weight of cars, airplanes, buses that can cut fuel consumption dramatically. Whereas in food packaging, plastics makes the perfect material for use since they're hygienic, lightweight and flexible. In construction sector, plastics make attractive choice due to cost effectiveness, low maintenance and corrosion resistance. In some ways, the life of plastic is never ending. It is a material that takes up hundreds of years to degrade and we can recycle certain plastics. At this point in the life cycle of plastics, most recycled plastics get downcycled. It is also common to see textiles made from recycled bottles as well as toys. We can reform thermoplastic by taking different plastics to the correct recycling facility where they get grounded into tiny pieces before being washed, dried and heated. At this point, recycling facilities melt the result into pellets or transform them into desired material.
I see. Good explanation, Ramitra.
Why are you looking so sad, Loveen?
I just got this bottle. I don't know how to throw it away.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Reuse.
By definition, reuse is the action or practice of using an item whether for its original purpose or to fulfill a different function. Sometimes it requires using some creativity, but the possibilities are endless. Here are some ideas to reuse the mineral bottle. You can reuse a mineral water bottle into a small pot for plants. By doing this, you are adding some greenery to your surroundings. You can also transform mineral water bottle into a utensils holder. You can also create a bird feeder using this mineral water bottle. This can help the birds to feed themselves.
Aha! Thanks for the idea, Nisha. I will reuse it.
Welcome.
But how many times are you going to reuse it?
Yes, it is a good question. How many times are you going to reuse it?
Then, maybe after 2 or 3 times reusing it, but I might recycle the bottle.
What is recycle?
Let me tell you. Recycling is the process of converting waste material into reusable objects. Recycling has been a common process throughout human history, so no one person can be associated its creation. First recorded instance of paper recycling can be dated to year 1031 in Japan. A container used to hold recyclable before they are taken to recycling centers. The first cup-sized recycling bin, the Tree Saver, is used in Missouri for the collection of the paper in 1974. There are 3 types of recycling bin. First, brown for the glass, blue for the paper, orange for the aluminium or plastic. 3 a plastic bottle in orange bin for recycling.
Wow, you have so much knowledge on recycle. I'm so impressed.
But is it the only way?
No, Ramita. We also have another way, which is repurpose.
Wow.
But what's the benefit of repurposing it?
Let me explain.
Repurposing is the process by which an object with one use value is transformed or redeployed as an object with an alternative use value, where it means giving an item a new purpose. There are some benefits on repurposing. The first one is it prevents pollution caused by reducing the need to harvest new raw materials. The second one is it saves energy. The third one is it also reduces the greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global climate change. The fourth one is it helps sustain the environment for future generations.